In this video, I'll show you how to set up a new Google Meeting and how to share the link on your phone. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have the Gmail application installed on your phone. If you don't already have this, then you can download it for free on the App Store. So once you've downloaded Gmail, we're just going to open up the application like so. And then you need to click on the video icon in the bottom right-hand side of the screen and then select New Meeting. Now from here, you can either schedule a meeting for a later date, or we can just click on it, Start an Instant Meeting. So this is going to bring up the meeting, and you can see right in the middle of the screen, we have our invite link. So you can simply go ahead and click on this copy icon, and then you'll be able to share this link with your friends and anyone you want to join this meeting. Alternatively, you can press the share invite button, and then you'll be able to send this invite link directly to people in your contacts, or you can send it via WhatsApp or Messenger. It really depends on how you want to send this invite. So once you've sent out that invitation, the recipient will simply need to click on the link and join the meeting. And then if you click on the three vertical dots in the bottom right hand side, click on Add Others, you'll be able to see exactly who is currently in the call. So you can see at the moment it's just myself, but when some other people join here, then they'll be added to this list. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you create a Google Meeting on your phone. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.